Hey everyone, Amanda here, and today we're turning this $8 thrifted dress into a bathing suit. So bikini top and shorts bottom is what I'm going for. And here's the thing, I'm not a professional, I'm a beginner. And this isn't a tutorial. This is motivation, because if I can do it and get through this, you can too. So that white dress, I was intending to use it as the lining. Turns out I should do my research because it wasn't swimsuit material, so I ended up having to buy white nylon and I used that as the lining instead. This project would have been way easier if I picked the right material and also if I knew what I was doing. And yes, this was my first time trying to make a bathing suit, and yes, I did practice on the fabric I wanted to use. In my defense, it was really cute. So I went ahead and used the bikini top I already had as my pattern to just trace and cut out, and I left a little bit of seam allowance. And I decided to treat myself to this like rotary cutter thingy, but I'm cutting on cardboard and it cut through the cardboard, so I have to wait till I actually buy one of those cutting pads. What I did was I cut out the bikini top in the material, the blue material, and as well as the lining, and then I ended up having to cut it again with the white nylon, which I didn't even film because I was so agitated at the end of this project. So I'm sewing it with the right sides facing in and then leaving the part like at the top of the strap open so I can kind of push it out. So I hope that made sense. If not, sorry. Basically, the good sides that you would see are inside. Okay? And then you're going to push it out. But you're not going to do that because this isn't a tutorial. This is just my method to my madness. And don't worry, it actually came out good. Okay? It did come out good. I attempted to use a chopstick to go ahead and put this inside out to get the right side out, and it semi-worked. I was going for thick halter strap kind of tie-ons rather than the thinner like stringy tie-ons, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm sewing like long pieces together to make a longer like tie halter top with thicker straps. I feel like this thicker straps just give more security, you feel? Okay. I only put elastics in the tie part of the strap. I didn't put it in the cups and I didn't put it in the shorts. I know most people do. I don't know. It's my first one and I didn't feel like working with the elastic that much. Okay. And so I'm just showing you here. I'm using on my Brother machine the 3 zigzag stitch, and I'm stitching it onto the straps with the right sides facing together, and then I'll make it inside out so then the correct side will be facing us. Yeah. Girl, this project had me going crazy. Just insane. My needle fell out 3 times, and I know that's my error somehow, but then it ended up breaking in half. So then I had to wait a few days to get a new needle. And then I got this stupid quilt looper, which I didn't know like what a loopy thing was. I just like saw, I think it was the creator Stormy use like a loop twist out thingy, and obviously I bought the wrong thing because it doesn't have a hook, like a hook turner. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I bought this quilt one and I was like, well, I mean, it has a little weird hook at the end. Maybe it'll be enough. But then this freaking strap, this is to go like on the bottom part of the bikini to tie around my back. It it would not, like I had elastic on it and the elastic, it was too thick for it to turn out. So instead I just opted to remove the elastic. Okay? This part came out fine where I'm making like that tunnel at the bottom part of the bikini cups to, tunnel through my little strap. So the only part of this project that has elastic is the tie-up straps that haven't been attached to the cup yet. Yeah. So this is the tie-up halter part, and so I sewed the elastic on the fabric piece, and then I'm going to sew the nylon on it with the right sides facing inside, facing each other, I don't know. And then, yeah, so this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to turn it out, and then we'll have a cute little strap with elastic. This project stressed me out, and I used shorts I already had to make the shorts. Don't ask me. Well, you can comment and ask me any questions you have, but that's all I did. I copied shorts I had. I got fed up with the with the straps and just did it like this. So if you look carefully, the straps aren't quite the same size as the cup straps, but it works, okay? And I did the shorts the same way where I had the nice fabric and then the white nylon, and I wanted the nylon to fold over. I also had to do a little bit of hand sewing on the shorts just to get it to sit how I wanted. But overall, it came out great. And I didn't really have to go in the water actually because it was so cold. I just took pictures on the beach, and this is what it looks like on. And, no one can tell that I, messed anything up. I think it looks good to like just the average person. And that was my first attempt at a bathing suit, and I think I did really well. But yeah, let me know your thoughts if you have any questions. And I haven't touched my sewing machine in like weeks because that project took so much out of me. Happy summer!